Hi all. All right, so this was collection day. I couldn't go, so Lama went and he graciously vlogged for me like all the husbands have. So this is him entering the distribution center. It was in Wannerbrook Place on its third floor, opposite Gemstone in IMAX there. This is him getting like all the paperwork and stuff. And once he gave it to them, they would call your name when all of his stuff reaches to the front. So he reaches to the front here, and bags on deck. And they basically go through your costume with you. So this is the male. He got a bucket hat, the normal pants, and two jerseys, one for Monday, one for Tuesday. And you all can see my backpack there in the little like view. Wait. Then they go through the female bag because all in all we always have a set a thing. And y'all, he made a point to let me know that everybody in the distribution center, like all the persons you had to deal with, was super nice. Like they were so helpful. So big up RC Mass one time for customer service. Cause even before this process, I knew customer service was on point. So this is my costume here now. So they're just going through, showing him what it have and stuff. She would have taken out the underwear portion of it, to show him and stuffies and all the little pieces and thing and whatever. So after this, you end up just having to sign to make sure that you get all of your parts and stuff. So let us get ready for my costume and goodie bag unboxing. Alright, so this is the female bag for RC Mass. Yes, so this has my costume in it. So I'll do this unboxing first. And then this is basically all the stuff. Basically the extra goodies that you get in your goodie bag. And I find it makes sense. Put your costume inside the bigger bag and just give it a better get in a pull string bag. Because you can use this on the road if you don't want to use a fanny pack or a tie pack. You have your pull string bag, clutch. So, actually I'm going to do this bag first because it's less thing. So you get a cup for sure. My cup is pink. Lamar's cup is black. That's so cute. It's like a 20 ounce or a 30 ounce tumbler. Yeah, because it insulated on the inside and it came with a straw, a metal straw. So that made it on the road. Carnival Monday though, because Carnival Tuesday I have a cup to match my costume. So yeah. Let me show you what the cup is actually. Let me show you my Carnival Tuesday cup. Alright, yeah. So this is my Tuesday cup. When you see my costume, you will know why. Nice and purple. And the pink I'll use on Carnival Monday because the Monday wear we get, Monday wear was included in the package. It's pink. So, well, magenta. So yeah. Alright, so back to the bag. We also got a, what do you call this? A fan. Ooh. So it has RC on it. It is branded. Yeah. But I have my battery operated fan, so that's what I will be using. But this is a cute keepsake. Right? And then you get a little makeup pouch. Yeah. You get a bandana from B-Mobile. Big up B-Mobile on the ones and twos. Then you get a bunch of teas. And what do you call this thing? A bunch of teas and coffee. So it have a tips done, healthy hair growth teas, and the cafe barista coffees. So it have this one, and I have this 3-in-1 on the go classic situationship. And then you get a pack of Colgate, the travel size, a pack of caramel popcorn, and you get a shades. Whoa, wait. Yeah, you got shades. What is cute? I like shades. Yes, shades. There's the bag that wasn't loaded. Yeah. Oh, and it have RC Mass on it. Cute. Branded things that we're talking about. Okay, and the difference between the male and the female goodie bag is that Lamar got a bucket hat he got shades, same way, same kind of snacks, same Colgate. But they didn't get any fans. But he got a bucket hat, the normal hat, shades, cup. His cup is black. And yeah, the different things. So now we are going to unbox the costume. Okay, so I am playing in jazz. That's my section. And the tier I took is the party because it have like each section have one, I think it's like 3 different tiers. So it have the party, backline, frontline. I didn't want backline, I didn't want frontline. I want the least amount of thing on me as possible. So I stuck with the party section. Okay. So in the bag I have some extra strings. My bands for Monday and Tuesday. Very important. Can't lose that. We'll have to put that on maybe Carnival Sunday night so I don't, forget. So I got a pink hat. RC mask all the way. Yeah. And then this is my costume. Yeah. Okay, so this is the Monday wear that I was telling you about. The color is so pretty. And I kind of iridescent, like purplish, bluish kind of situation shape. But yeah. Where is this? How is this? Oh, how is this going to the back and tie, right? So this is the Monday wear. Oh, it is cute. Look at how cute. So it's a size medium. That is the back. Put this back in. She said, take it easy, I will do the movie. Alright, and each thing is, there's my leg pieces. Each thing is labeled. So this is tie, there's a tie piece. This is one of my ties. This is the bra, but this bra looking so big for a 36A. Like, this is the bra. I have to try this on. I don't know why, but it's looking real big to me. Y'all, it was in fact big. We're going to talk about this in the next clip. This is the headpiece. Cutesy, cutesy. These are my wrist pieces. And then this is the monokini part of it all, because this is the panty with the middle section and thing that is not going wrong and crisscrossing and all kind of situation shifts. So this is it. So that is it. Oh, sorry for the bad angle, but I got a pop up on my windowsill. So that is it. As you would have seen, I am playing with RC Mass, which is also known as Ronnie and Caro. All yes, this is outside. Me and Lamar are outside, okay? Monday and Tuesday we outside. So I'm just super excited. Well, I haven't played Mass since 2012. That was the last time I played, and I played with Tribe. So I just really excited. Can you tell? Anyways, let me go and try on these things. So I will have to let my sister know if she had to do any alterations. No, I'm not going to see it. Or let me wait until Carnival Tuesday to see me in my costume. So let me go and do that. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. And I will see you guys in the next one, which will basically be Carnival Monday and Tuesday. Alright, all this. So, story time. So, as I would have seen from the previous clip, I showed you my bra and I was like, this could never be, like, it's looking too big for a 36A. Like, I said 36A, I know my bra is looking my boy. So, I emailed, well, first off, when I tried on the entire costume, everything was big. Like, everything was big. Everything was big, right? Besides my Monday wear. So the monokini, the pink monokini, I showed you all, that fits so nice. Like, yeah. But then my Tuesday costume, everything was big. Like, everything. The bra, the underwear part, like, everything was big. I think it's the body wear connected to the underwear. So it's everything was just wonky. No, the bottom part, I took responsibility for it because I did choose a size medium, even though that is what I chose in the monokini for the Monday, and it fits me great. It's only after I was talking to my sister-in-law, she was like, girl, you had a size down when you're buying like Carnival underwear. Because for whatever reason it does end up being a little bit bigger. So you should size down. So I should have gone to a small, maybe I would have been fine. I don't know. So everything was big, like all it was big. I was just like, no. So I emailed RC Mass and I was like, well, as I said, I took full responsibility for the monokini part, underwear part, because I said medium and that's what I got, a medium. However, that bra, I could have fit my whole head in that bra. So I emailed and I was like, hi, I love my costume. However, I think the bra sizes got mixed up. Like, at a 36A, it says 36A on the bra, but that's not a 36A. That's like a C or a D cup. I was like, I have small boobs. Please help. Like, literally, that was the email. Please help. They emailed me back, which I was surprised about because I was talking to some of my friends and they was like, girl, you lucky if you get a response because there's crunch time and then bands don't answer. Hello, RC Mass. They answered. Yes, they did. They answered. And they told me, come back tomorrow and bring it back and they would get something else to me. So I went today. Earlier, they're real nice. Like I said, the first time I didn't go is Lamar went. So this was my first time actually going to the distribution center and dealing with the person. Ole is so nice. I am so sad I didn't get the two girls' names who helped me today. Like Ole is the real MVPs. So when I walked in, I just let them know what's happening. I think she would be the floor manager for the distribution center. She pointed me towards two of the CSRs and I told them what was going on. And when I showed them, they was like, oh gosh, girl, no, this is not an E. I was like, yeah. So then she left and she went to the back, looking and everything. And then she came back with one. And when I held it up to my boobies, it still looked a bit too big, but it was way smaller than the other one that I had previously. So I was like, could I just go and try it on to make sure? Because what she was saying is if that one was still too big, they would just take my measurements and recreate one for me, and I'll just have to pick it up Saturday night. And I was all fine and well with it. I was like, no scenes. But I was like, let me try on this one first, and then like if push comes to shove, we do that. So I went and tried it on and it fit. It really did fit. So I went back and said, it fit and thing, and she was like, you sure everything fit good and how you want it to fit? I was like, yeah, it fit good. So you just had to put like a dart right here because I have my boobies like I done a hand on. So I had a small piece of cleavage. So but all it was real smooth, they were really nice. Listen, their customer service is on point, like A1. And as I was saying in the other clips, I knew this before because when we registered for our section, it didn't have a part to put in Lamar jersey size in the registration section. And I emailed them, and literally within 10 minutes, they emailed me back, but I didn't see the email. And I seen this strange number calling me. How about it was RC Mass calling to tell me, kindly send your husband's t-shirt size so we could update the system. And literally within like 10-15 minutes when I went back on the system, there was a t-shirt size. So from that, I was just like, these people on point. And this just showed me once again they value customer service like A1. So that was sorted, and then this afternoon Celine came for us to go through what adjustments she has to make to the monokini. So I basically had to like shorten everything, which isn't horrible because it's easy for her to do because of how it made. And then we add in some stuff just for like added security for me, how I wanted to fit and look. And I should get her back like in the next 2 days. I mean, I need it in the next 2 days because the next 2 days is kind of a Monday. Yeah, but it's kind of a Tuesday, so she kind of have 3 days, but technically not because I needed to try it on. So yeah, so I'll get her back in like the next 2 days. And yeah, kind of a costume crisis averted. Like I told Selena, I was like, girl, you need to make some money and do like adjustments to Carnival costumes because she can make bank. And she know what she doing. Trust and believe. Because when I sent her the picture yesterday, I was like almost in tears. And she just sent back the picture with like all she little doodling and marking and thing, telling me where she want to cut, where she want to stitch, where she going to pull up, where she going to pull eyelet and all kind of thing. And I was just like, that's my girl. But anyways, y'all, so that is the end of this video. So that was basically collecting my costume, my little costume mishap and how it was dealt with and rectified, and just basically the normal gist of the people in management. They are dolls, okay, dolls. So that is the end of this video. I will see you guys, because the next video will be Carnival Monday and Tuesday, or it may be Panorama, because I might go Panorama Saturday night, please Lord, so it may be Panorama. But for now, this is it for all the girl. I am playing with RC Mass once again, and my section is jazz. So all of my jazz babes, if I have any subscribers who play in RC Mass and playing in jazz or playing in band in general, if all see me, say hey, I'd love to chop it up with you all. So I'm gonna see you guys in the next video.
Stems. Yes, I can hear them saying, boy, stop living in the past.